We are looking at Kwankyerefo Jesus by Cindy Thompson. Okay, so the song was done in the key of C sharp, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay, so I'll be showing you the passing chord they did in this particular song. Everything about this song, we are going to look at it. Okay, so let's dive in. So we are in the key of F. In the key of F, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Basically today I don't have my sustain on, so right now I'm using the sustain of the keyboard I'm using, okay, which is Yamaha PSR 463. Okay, so let's dive in. Kwankyerefo Jesus, wana misrewo, mawo kwankran ba benche mi kwan, mi faso yiwi. It started off from the 1. So basically you maintain the 1 on the left, then replace the 1 on the right with the 7th chord, the C. Then this. Okay, so basically you are approaching the 4, so you are doing a passing chord here. Okay, the next passing chord, okay, on the 6. Okay, so what is that? I'm doing the D, A on the left, right hand is doing the C, E flat, F sharp, and A. Okay, then basically we move to the 4 chord, which is the Fa. Then basically this particular song, if you are singing it and you are playing it, or somebody is singing and you are playing, okay, your timing is very key. You need to be very careful to know where you play. So see how I move. Then okay, so basically what I did here was the 6-7-1. 6-7-1. 6 we know that is La, 7 we know is T, 1 we know is Do, so La, Ti, Do. That's what I did here. Okay, then let's check the other part. We say Afifura me bemun. Okay, so that part you follow a different progression too. Let me show you. So, Afifura me bemun, min pai boni na ni se. So that part, so I feel full from me on the 1 chord, the Do. I feel full from me. Okay, so there's a passing, okay, passing chord. I'm doing the F on the left, right hand is doing the A, C, E flat, and G, then to the 4. Then here we do this. Basically I have the Re on the left, okay, the Re, La, Re. Then right hand I'm doing the Z, Do, Re, Fa, okay, Z, Do, Re, Fa. Then 1/5. If you follow my series that I'm doing passing chord and stuff like that, I've been showing you how to end the song. Okay, so this particular things I'm playing should not be new to you. Okay, so like this, then 1/5. Then we move to the 6. Okay, the La. Then here we do the 4/5. Then basically we'll do the 6-7-1. So one more time. I feel full from me, me pai boni na ni se, me kwande ni na mesum, me radi. Then the latido. Then me. Then that part too we are entering. Okay, so let's check that part. Okay, means what consider be a mesum, me to me a tina one now say na my yes So basically, let's break it down. Okay, so I'm doing this on the 1, then 5, 1, 4. A passing chord to the fa. Okay, so